to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, because those two things really help support my YouTube channel and I'd be forever grateful if you did. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to apply false lashes. I get asked this question a lot and it happened to be perfect timing because Means Beauty X Lashes sent me this super cute PR package. I have it highlighted on my Instagram if you want to see any of the other goodies that they sent me. But I thought, what perfect timing, brand new lashes to show you guys how to unpackage and apply your very own lashes. So thank you so much, Means Beauty X Lashes, for sending me this and kind of inspiring this video. Okay, I know you're probably like, Hannah, just get into the tutorial, but one more thing before we start. I have a giveaway going on my Instagram right now. It ends May 27th and it is a super fun giveaway. It is my first one ever and I'm so excited, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave the link in the description bar below and make sure you check it out because maybe you'll win. Okay. Let's finally get into this. So first we're going to talk about the packaging. So when you get a new pair of lashes, it usually comes in a little square container, or I guess it's a rectangle container like this. And then when you take that out, you get this little plastic tray here that has some half circles where your lashes are actually glued onto. So when you are taking them out of the package, you definitely want to use a pair of tweezers and you want to gently just kind of go towards the band. The band is what's going to be glued to your eyelid. So you want to just gently pull from there. You want to avoid tugging on those lashes because again, we don't want them to fall off, and just very gently pull them away from the packaging. And then also only the two ends are really glued down. So as you can see, I kind of then just use my hand to kind of tug it away, and then also you can use tweezers as well if you are worried about any kind of oils getting on your lashes. Now, to decide which eyelash goes on what eye, you definitely want to take a really good look at them because you'll usually notice that there's some shorter lashes happening where it should be on like the inner parts of your eyes, and then they'll get really long towards the end. These ones kind of tricked me a little bit because usually what I have to do is when they are in a container like this and I'm looking at them, so I'm looking at them like this one would usually go on this eye and this one would usually go on this eye. That's just the trick that I have like learned. It's just kind of like the opposite for me. But these ones actually kind of came in the right way that I would put them back in. So the way that I would put them back in is if it was on this eye, I'm going to put it right here, right? So if I'm looking at it, it's going to go here, here, okay? I don't know if this is making sense or not. Everyone has their own way to kind of remember it, but I just remember it'll go left hand, pick up with my left hand, go on my left eye, pick up with the right, go on my right. Now that we have the lashes out, we are going to be actually trimming them to our eye size. So obviously these are not going to fit everybody's eyes. You're going to have to trim it. I mean, my two eyes are different, so I actually can't. Even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to switch it. This one's always a little bit shorter and this one's always a little bit longer. Don't know why, but that's just my eyes, so whatever. What you're gonna need to trim them is some manicure scissors. You can also use nail clippers, but again, make sure both of these are sanitized because this is going on your eyes. So you don't really want like gross toenail clippings going onto your lashes. I find that big scissors just don't work very well. You can obviously use them. I just find like they're too big and then they cut like just not as nice as small little manicure scissors. So manicure scissors is your go-to. So I just get my mirror here so that I can actually see better. And now this is when the little sticky parts come in handy because it helps you size. My little lashes start around here, so I like to make the lash start here, and then I usually cut it a little bit short from my actual like end of my eyelash because my eyes personally kind of go like this, and if I made the eyelashes that like these false eyelashes go all the way down like that, then it's gonna look like my eyes are drooping, and I want the illusion of my eyes going like, you know, like, ooh, like that's sassy, that's like cute, honey. When you do it, obviously it's not gonna stick super well because it's not sticky. But just kind of roughly line it up, and then I kind of like to put my finger on where I need to cut. I know this is probably like, you're gonna have to practice this to actually, you know, get what I'm saying. And I'm going to go in and I'm just gonna cut this one little spot off here. Only cut small little pieces off, so that was just like the little corner of it. Small at a time because you can always trim off more, but you can't glue it back on. So I learned that one the hard way. Take your time with this. So again, just make sure you line it up with your own lashes. See, this one is always so much smaller and I don't know why. Okay, once you snip it off and realign. The next step now is to apply them, but before we actually go in and glue them on, we want to apply some mascara. Now, applying the mascara is going to help blend the lashes together once we put the false ones on. So you're just going to do a nice coat of mascara. So now we are going to have a lash glue talk, okay? So there are thousands of different types of lash glue. There are different brands. There's natural ones. There's ones that are like less natural. So once you are done applying your mascara, we move on to lash glue, okay? So there are two main types of lash glue. The first one is a black lash glue and the other one is a clear or white lash glue. So there are benefits to each of them, obviously. I personally have black drying lash glue because when I apply any kind of eyeliner, then it comes out black and it just blends in perfectly. And even if I don't apply eyeliner, it just kind of makes it look like I have thicker lashes. Where the other lash glue, which is usually like a blue or a white color and usually dries clear, that would be really good for if you're not really wearing any eyeliner, because if you were wearing black eyeliner, then you know it's gonna kind of come out looking like you have lashes on. It doesn't look so natural. So there's different perks to each of them. I personally just own the black one because it makes it easier on my life. It's probably just a good idea to own both of them, to be honest. Now, lash glues can also come in a tube, kind of like mine here, or you can get them where they come in like a little bottle. I don't have that lash glue anymore. I personally just have this brush that I've designated for my lash glue. So now I'm going to take this lash here and my little brush, and I'm going to dip the brush into it, and I'm going to apply just a very light layer of lash glue. You don't want like a mountain mess. You just want to make sure that you have the band covered. Now, the best time to apply lashes is when the glue is tacky. If you apply it when it's watery, you risk the chance of, like getting it everywhere, especially because you're gonna have to do some readjusting. So I usually wait around 30 seconds. Sometimes if I'm, really feeling it, I'll set like a little timer. 30 seconds. You can wave them around in the air. You can even blow on them. Don't do that if you're like, applying it on somebody else, because I don't think they want your spit on their lashes going on their eye. So the 30 seconds is up, and now I'm going to hold the eyelash in my left hand because I'm going to be putting it on my left eye. And then this mirror is really good because you can kind of like move it all around, but you want to basically be looking down so that you have a really good view of your lash line. When you apply it, you're going to just place it onto your eyelid here. Oh, darn, I blinked there. Whew. That's scary. My eyes are so sensitive, so if you see them watering like crazy, like usually it takes me a couple tries to apply my lashes because they just like to water. And when you apply it onto your lid, you're going to want to push in, okay? So you want to push them into your eyelid so it will actually stick. They don't just stick to your eyelashes, they stick to the eyelid. If you stick them to your eyelashes and it's time to take them off, you could literally rip your eyelashes off. And it's happened to me, it's not fun. So really try to aim for the eyelid as close as you can, but not on your lashes. Now you can also take some tweezers. These are just ones from Velour, and I like to squeeze my lashes together. I push in and then squeeze them together. This is what's going to make it look natural, is by camouflaging those lashes. Make sure also that that inner corner is really laid down there. There's one eyelash done. Pretty cute, pretty nice, pretty fun. So as you can see, this was a very seamless application. There's like no indicator that there's really any kind of like other lashes on there. And the reason why there's no indicator that there's any type of lash glue on your eyes or anything like that is because you waited. So when you wait the 30 seconds, it's making it tacky, so it's so much easier to apply. It's not slipping and sliding all over the place, which makes it really nice. So I just want you guys to know too that, you know what, practice makes perfect. I think I was 10 years old when I applied my first pair of lashes. So I've been practicing for almost 11 years and it still takes me time. It just, you know what, it's a tricky thing. You're putting something attached to your eye that your eye does not really want you to put there. So obviously you might struggle a little bit, but that is okay. So this concludes my how to apply false lashes tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because you know what? More amazing videos are going to be coming, so you want to be ready for those. Also, make sure you check out that giveaway on my Instagram that is linked down below, because you could be the next winner. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.